Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for March 10th. We're looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair first. This pair closed higher, did create a swing trade setup, so look for a breakout. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways overall with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 92.18, possibly as low as 89.31. Look for some resistance around 91.00 and look for some support around 89.50. Okay, now looking at the Euro USD, this pair closed higher. Also formed a swing trade setup over the last session. Look for a breakout to the upside. We are looking for this pair, however, to continue moving sideways with a bias sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 137.41, possibly as low as 134.64. Look for some resistance around 136.91 and look for some support around 135.29. Now, the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair, there we go, has moved lower, moved much lower, didn't break previous support, however, did move lower, pulled back before the close. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways currently. I do believe we will continue our downward trend very soon. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 150.94, possibly as low as 147.73. Look for some resistance around 150.75 and look for the support at 148.75. Okay, let's take a look at the Swiss. The U.S. Swiss has formed a swing trade setup as well, and it's fairly close to the market. Look for a breakout to the downside. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 108.54 and potentially move down to 106.38. Look for some resistance around 107.50 and look for some support around 106.85. Now, as far as news analysis goes, tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the Swiss Bank releasing their interest rate decision consensuses. They're going to hold rates at 0.25%. We also, at 2 o'clock, have the New York Fed's duly speaks to London economist. That's 2 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Not sure how that will affect the market, but definitely something you need to watch. Now, as far as trades, look at the pound. Looking for a break of this low that was created today and for it to come down basically to this low. It's a quick little scalp. You should be able to pull roughly 13 pips, 17 pips, somewhere in there, about 15 pips out of the market. If this pair decides to move lower, I do believe we will get that move through that point and be able to take advantage of that. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.